नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम अगस्त फोर्थ वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। इससे पहले फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड वीक का वीडियो अपलोड किया जा चुका है। दोस्तों वो काफ़ी लेट हुआ था, वो लगभग 2-3 दिन पहले ही सारे वीडियो हो पाए हैं, इसलिए इसको अनाउंस किया जा रहा है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और सबसे पहली बात, अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आपको वीकली एक वीडियो करंट अफेयर्स का ज़रूर मिलेगा। ओके, चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द चेयरमैन फॉर बोर्ड ऑफ बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड्स बाय सीबीसी? सो दिस इज अपॉइंटेड टीएम भाशिन। ओके, टीएम भाशिन अपॉइंटेड चेयरमैन ऑफ बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड। नेक्स्ट, द साइबर सिक्योरिटी मल्टी डोनर ट्रस्ट has been launched by which organization? So this is by World Bank. Okay, World Bank. World Bank headquarters is in Washington DC. Okay, Washington DC is in United States of America. Okay, next, which region in India got the highest altitude herbal park of the country? So this is in Chamoli. Chamoli district is in Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand. Next question. The national pipeline was recently launched by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. This is developed by which organization? So this is developed by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog. अगला क्वेश्चन, The Amrit Mahotsav Sri Shakti Innovation Challenge 2021 has been launched by which organization in partnership with UN United Nations Women in India? So this is launched by My Government. My Government. Okay, My Government is a portal, online portal. Okay, next, Neobolt is India's first indigenous motorjet wheelchair vehicle. This wheelchair developed by which institute? So this is by IIT Madras. Okay, IIT Madras. Which financial body has signed 500 million loan with Indian government to expand Bangalore Metro? So this is signed with Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank is headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. Okay, Manila, Philippines. Okay, next, which company tie up with HDFC Bank to build comprehensive solution across payment gateway, point of sale machine and credit products? So this is with Paytm. Okay, Paytm. Next question, who is the chairman of the panel appointed by RBI which has suggested 4-tier structure for urban cooperative banks? So this is NS Viswanathan. NS Viswanathan. Next question, which state has celebrated Vanchua Festival 2021? So this is celebrated in Assam state. Okay, Assam. Next, which agency has launched Forum for Decarbonizing Transport in partnership with World Resource Institute India? This is Niti Aayog. Okay, Niti Aayog. Next, who has been appointed as the Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Cooperation? This is Abhay Kumar Singh. Abhay Kumar Singh appointed Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Cooperation. This ministry is recently announced by our Prime Minister. Next, Safe City Index released every year by which organization? So this is released by Economic Intelligence Unit. Okay, Economic Intelligence Unit. Next question, RBI has approved the appointment of Sandeep Bakshi as MD and CEO of which bank? So this is ICICI Bank. Okay, ICICI Bank. Headquarter of this in Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Next, the 12% Club app has been launched by which fintech firm? So this is Bharat Pay. Okay, Bharat Pay. Next question, the world's largest and tallest observation wheel is set to be launched in which city? So this is in Dubai. Dubai. Next, India's first green hydrogen electrolyzer manufacturing unit has been unveiled in which city? So this is in Bangalore. Bangalore. Next, which ministry has launched a 100-day campaign named Sujalam? So this is launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next question. How much amount has been approved by India as LOC to be funded for the Greater Mali Connectivity Project in Maldives? So this is $400 million US dollar. Okay. Next, the Women Entrepreneurship Platform Web Next has been launched by Niti Aayog in partnership with which company? So this is Cisco. Okay, Cisco. Next question. Carlo Furtado has recently been named as the interim CEO of which bank? So this is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Okay, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Next. RBI has recently announced to include the beneficiary of which scheme from Tier 1 and Tier 2 centers under PIDF scheme. So this is PM Swanidhi scheme. PM Swanidhi scheme launch for street vendor. Okay, street vendor. Next, which bank has topped the Easy Reform Index Award 2021? So this is State Bank of India. State Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai. Head of the State Bank of India is Dinesh Khara. Dinesh Khara. Next, who has been robed in by the Delhi government as the brand ambassador for its Desh Ke Mentors program? So this is Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood. Okay. Next question. Which city has topped the Safe Cities Index 2021? So this is Denmark's Copenhagen. Okay. Copenhagen. Safe City Index every year published by Economic Intelligence Unit EIU. Okay. EIU. Okay. Next. So we discuss all August 4th important MCQ. If you find it relevant, subscribe, like and share with those friends who are going to appear in RRB PO Mains exam. Okay. So I am ending this video. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Thank you.